Most people think reality is physical and made up of solid material, but quantum physics tells us that that's not actually true. At the microscopic level, everything is made up of atoms, and atoms are the building blocks of matter. But here's a twist if you didn't know so already. Atoms aren't solid. Besides empty space, they're also made up of even smaller particles like protons, neutrons, and electrons, which are all energy in motion. And if you want to take it another step further, those protons and neutrons are made up of the smallest particles known to exist, called quarks, that spin and vibrate. So atoms themselves are just energy vortices, constantly in motion. In other words, we're not made of solid matter, we're made of energy. And we are more powerful and more connected than we think. And everything around us is energy too, even this little rock. It seems solid, but it's such an illusion. It's actually funny we even call it reality when what we consider to be real is made up of things that we don't think of as being real. Because if I took a fancy microscope to this little rock or did some experiments on it if I knew how to do that exactly, then I would find that it's made up of energy. And I'm no scientist by any means, but I just love when science proves spirituality and things that I know are true but can't explain. Because I work with energy and I have experienced things that should not be possible logically speaking. So what does this mean anyway, that everything is energy? Honestly, probably way more than we will ever know, but the more we search for answers, the more we will find.